The drone police are watching, literally.
Geeksvana is your drone channel, providing news, reviews, flights, interviews, and much more.
Hey everyone, and welcome to Geeksvana. In today's drone news, we're going to be talking about an amateur drone pilot who has received a police warning after posting what was deemed to be an illegal footage from his drone on a Facebook group, sharing the video with its 30,000 members. There are mainstream media reports on this. It is covered by the likes of the BBC, as this is of course a story about an evil drone flyer. Reports confirm that the amateur pilot had been contacted by Norfolk Police. Let's take a look at the footage. This was in response to a report to them by a member of the Facebook group who felt the flight breached the CAA regulations. Norfolk Police have confirmed that this is the first time concern over a drone flight had been reported to them after it had been seen on social media. PC Thomas Monday states, "After being made aware of this illegal flight in Norwich, officers investigated and identified the operator, who has since been spoken to. Due to the circumstances, we judged no formal action was required." Interestingly, depending on which report you read, the drone pilot was warned for a wide array of infringements, showing again a total lack of understanding of drone regulations by mainstream media. Certainly, the footage shows the flight is certainly within a congested area, and thus prevents any kind of legal flight using the required separations as a hobbyist. Now, the sharing of drone footage on social media platforms has always been fraught with issues, with many users reacting badly towards who they see as self-appointed drone police. There are even pockets of the internet opening up, allowing people to share risky flights and downright illegal footage in secret groups. Now that the actual police are getting involved and tracking down those posting illegal footage, it will be interesting to see how they get around the numerous issues with building an actual case against someone. For instance, just because the footage is shared by someone, it doesn't always mean they are the pilot or creator. Even if it appears that they are the pilot, how to prove this beyond a point where a conviction will stick could be difficult, but we will no doubt see this issue tested in the near future, as there is one thing for certain: whilst there are drones, there will be people looking to fly them illegally. Now, we all need to work to protect our hobby, and also remember that drones to some are a way of earning a living. Everyone should be checking their flight is legal by using the apps and knowledge out there. Really, there is little excuse to make a flight under illegal circumstances, either in the USA or the UK. If you cannot read a map or work an app, perhaps you should consider whether or not flying a drone is really the best thing for you. With drone use under so much scrutiny across the globe, with many looking for any reason to prevent their free use, we must use social media to help educate each other and stand together as a community, calling out those who would act in such a way as to jeopardise our hobby. And remember, be careful about what you're posting online, as you never know who is watching. Better yet, be careful where you fly your drone in the first place.
Please remember to like and subscribe.